So this afternoon, I'm going to be working with some of our coaches on our coaching team, wrestling with this idea of average versus elite. Here's the reality. There's a reason why the majority are average or below average. And I don't mean to say that with like arrogance, but it's the truth. You look at history, right? Why do people become successful? Sports and athletes, musicians, politicians, and so on. But it's right there in front of us. Like there is a formula for a lot of people who have gone before us. And so my encouragement and challenge to you today is just this. When you wake up, you're getting your day started, what is the mental fortitude that you have? Have you processed, like, these are the set of actions and activities that I know through, we'll call it 1% daily gains, are going to help push me to the next thing, compounding, by the way. That 1% compounds to the next 1% and so on. That's what is the bedrock and the foundation of the mastery level of being elite, especially as it pertains to coaching and working with clients and helping them to hit goals. The issue is that most people, they don't celebrate the 1%. They celebrate or they want to celebrate when we're at, we have a 50% win or a 75% win or a 100% win, which I don't know that's even truly possible in one swing of the bat, right? Like you look at baseball, which, I'll watch it during the playoffs. That's about it. But when you have a ball player who's, he's got a 30% average, that's the elite in most cases. So we have to fall in love with the idea that if I'm going to be successful in business coaching and truly bring transformation to the lives of business owners, their families, the employees, I have to fall in love more with the idea that mastery comes in the shape and the form of 1%. And I celebrate that 1%. And when that 1% compounds, and I do it this month, next year, and so on, that's where we go. 1% becomes 20%, becomes 50%, and all of a sudden, you look in the rearview mirror and you've got significant growth. But that is not what most people do. They give up 90 days. They give up 6 months. Well, this isn't coming together like I thought it would. And it might not. That's the truth. Now, it doesn't usually because people won't follow a pattern and a plan that absolutely works because they want it too soon. They want it's the society that stands in front of the microwave that says, hurry up. When it's like, well, how much faster do you want it to go? Before the microwave, we didn't even have that option. And now you want it to go faster than the microwave, which is not even realistic. So here's my point to you. And just putting my notes together for our mastermind this afternoon, I thought, I'd come on here and just share with you that if you want a successful, long-lasting business through business coaching, it's going to come through one way: consistency, understanding the foundation of 1% daily gains, and we just don't quit. There's no other option. I will not quit. Take the options off the table. Take care.